Hello, my dear students, good morning. Today we will start a chapter of economics, the story of Blaise Palampur. This is a hypothetical Blaise, means it is a imaginary story which is surrounding about a production. This chapter is telling about the source of production or the factors of production, how we are getting production, and what are the factors. With the help of these factors we are getting production. So in this place first they have give introduction, like in the same place we are living and you are living, like people are living and they are getting basic facilities which are provided by government, like two schools are there and one mini hospital is there. This is provided by government. So now they will tell us about a production, what is production and what is the aim of production. The aim of production is to produce goods and services. After this, what are the factors which are responsible for the production? First, we have to need land. See here at the page number 2, here they are talking about first requirement is land. This is a natural resource, and like land there are other resources, natural resources like as water, forest, minerals. And the second requirement is labor. If you are having land but you don't have peoples to do work, then there is no value of land. It means when the people are ready to work there, who are considered as labor, then we can get production from the land. After that, physical capital. What are the factors or what are the sources of physical capital? In this topic, we will read about physical capital. Physical capital consists tools, machines, buildings, and like sophisticated machines such as generators, turbines, computers, etc. Tools, machines, buildings can be used in production over many years and are called fixed capital. Okay, and after this, working capital. Physical capital has divided between two parts. One is fixed capital and second is working capitals. What do you mean by working capitals? Means we have to take raw material and money in hand. Like suppose if you want to make a shirt, then you need yarn, okay, and if a potter wants to make pottery, then he has to need clay, okay. These are the source of working capital. After that there is a fourth that there is a fourth requirement, that is we need knowledge and enterprise. Means if you have all the sources but you don't know how to utilize these sources, so we have to take knowledge how to produce goods and services. These are the factors of production. So land is the fixed, means we cannot take a land from here to there, okay. It is fixed. It is not like a table or chair that we can bring from here and there. So land is a fixed capital. After that, is there a way one can grow more from the same land? Yes, like we are living in the place, most of the farmers are producing more than two crops in the season. Like we have divided 1 year in 3 seasons. One is kharif crops, jaid crops, and rabi crops, okay. So here they have mentioned about the seasons, of the kharif crop, after that rabi crop and jaid, okay, which crops has grown in these different seasons. So we have done this topic in previous classes also. So just you have to take you have to underline the things that from which season or from which month creep season has started, and from which months rabi season has started, and same is for jaid crops. So we have to underline these things. Now, how can we increase the production? We can increase the production if we will grow more and more crops from a same land. Means in 1 year we are getting 3 crops from a same land. And the second way is there that we have to put high yielding varieties, or we have to do agriculture in modern ways. Like during 1960s, green revolutions came in India. What was the green revolution? It was a modern method for agriculture to increase the production. What were the sources or what were the factors of green revolution? So main thing was HYV, high yielding varieties, and after that modern inputs, machinery, tractor, harvesters, pesticides, okay, fertilizers, chemical fertilizers. This thing increased the production as doubled as comparison to the previous time. So now we will read about the disadvantages of the green revolution. Like every coin has two sides, same thing is applied here. Like we get so many advantages from green revolution. These are the advantages. This is a modern farming methods, high yielding varieties, fertilizers, pesticides, and the government invest in irrigation projects like dams, electricity, pump sets, canals, after that diesel, farm machineries. These were the factors of green revolution. So what were the disadvantages of green revolution? Like due to the chemical fertilizers, like see they have given here chemical fertilizers. Due to chemical fertilization or due to fertilizers, the land started losing its fertility, okay, because of the use of the overuse of chemical fertilizers. The land started losing its fertility. Means जो ज़मीन, जो हमारी जो मातृभूमि है जिस पे हम जो फसलें प्रोड्यूस करते हैं, वो उसकी जो उपजाऊपन था उसने वो क्या करना स्टार्ट कर दिया, जो कम होना स्टार्ट हो गया बिकॉज ऑफ द जो यहाँ पे हमने जो ये फर्टिलाइज़र यूज़ कर रहे थे उसकी वजह से. सो लैंड इज़ द ओनली सोर्स फॉर द प्रोडक्शन. ओके, मीन्स लैंड इज़ अ बेसिक source, or it is a natural source what we have to sustain the land. We have to sustain the land in various ways. Okay, it will be beneficial for our future generations. Now it is completed up to third topic. By tomorrow we will start from the fourth point.